What's up, YouTube? It's the Neo Mustangs. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications for when I make videos, because I'm gonna start making a lot more videos. Anyways, this is the shop. Don't mind the mess. We're going through some stuff. You know, got my man Paul over there working on the underneath of that Sonic Blue car that you guys clicked on. I hope. Go check that video out. Make sure you like and subscribe. Anyways, for sale here is a 351 Windsor out of a van, early 90s model van, AFR 205 heads with new springs and Harlan sharp rockers, Cometic gaskets, head studs, forged Wiseco piston, stock bottom and crank and rods. It's got the trick flow box R 90mm intake with the 7068 Turbonetics. Has an 81 housing because I like to choke it up and go fast. 3G power steering. For sale, you got the trick flow, you know, harmonic balancer, all steel balancer. Anyways, you get for sale, you get intake, the oil pan, tune, and half of the exhaust. You get it all. And I also give you the chip for A9L, because this is all factory harness and it is chipped for that computer. I will also pay for a touch-up on the tune when you're done. So I'm asking $6,500 for the 351 Windsor here. Intake, the oil pan, the way it runs. We're going to pull the whole thing and hand it to you. I've sold 3 of these before, and the only reason why I'm selling it is because I got a nice little 363 stroke over there. Again, don't mind the mess. That was in my white car. My white car is in hiding right now, and the Moroso oil pump pickup broke in half, and the air that was getting into my bearings ruined my bearings, so I got to rebuild that. Anyways, this motor made 600 on 93 110 and 650 on E85, so this broke my faceplate. I had to put my T56 in it for my white car. But anyways, we're gonna let you hear it run. Hold on a second. You know, let you see that I'm, you know, it hasn't been running. I'm touching the header down here. You can't see it, but I'm touching the header. Go ahead and start it. A little coordination, but that's all right. All right, that's it. 6,500. Like and subscribe. Other future notifications for my videos. I appreciate everything.